Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Erica, F yeah, coming through to save the mother F day, yeah. Erica, F yeah, coming through to save the mother effing day, yeah. So Erica is on scene here. These cops pull this guy over right outside of work and charge him with a DUI. Was he under the influence? I don't know. But this lady goes around filming cops, and this cop gets super, super triggered, and she handles him pretty well accordingly. This guy just wants to bark orders, and he doesn't want to be watched by the community, and he's going to get her, and he's going to show her. You understand? You watch how he acts like a little toddler this whole video. I'm going to be interrupting. You don't like it? Leave. Also, please go to that lady's Facebook, Erica Hanna, and throw her a like and tell her I sent you. All right? Alrighty then. Here we go.
I've told you to get out of the road.
Don't put your hand on me. Don't put your hand on me. Don't put your hand on me.
Don't step on
Don't put your hands on me.
You're still in the road.
I don't care. Don't put your hands on me.
If you step
Don't put your hands on me. Don't put your hands on me. Do not touch me. I'm out the road. Yes, I am.
So it's first get out of the road, and when she does, that's not good enough for her. He has to escalate.
This is not.
And Anderson, you gonna sit here and let go on? I'm not in the road.
Out of the road.
I'm not in the road. I'm telling you now. I'm telling you, put your hands on me. For what reason?
Pedestrian in the roadway.
I'm not in the road.
Here he goes escalating again. She is not in the road.
This ain't no road. This ain't no road. This ain't no road. I don't care. I don't care.
Yell again. You're not gonna sit out here and be yelling.
Okay.
You're not.
Now he changes it to yelling when he won't leave her alone.
You're not gonna.
Okay, go ahead and do your job. What you do? Harass black people for what reason?
Now, I'm
for what reason? For what reason? Don't put your hand on me. Okay, that's fine.
So now he's threatening to abduct her off the street for talking.
But still, he just got out of work. How he got a DUI?
No, ma'am.
He just got out of work. Okay. Hey, come over here and hold this phone.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, you are not going to hold the phone and get record of our crimes. No way.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Go get back in your car. We're handling that traffic stop. You're about to go to jail. You
For what reason?
Get back in your car.
What reason?
So now he just gave 2 unlawful orders telling them where they need to be when they don't have to be there at all.
Not going to jail for
conduct.
I ain't going.
Now he changes and escalates it to disorderly conduct when he's the only one being disorderly in the first place.
Doing nothing to you.
Go back in your
Am
car.
I doing disorderly conduct?
You're hindering an investigation.
Okay. No,
Now he changes it and escalates it again to hindering an investigation.
no
You're hindering an
okay,
investigation.
That's fine. I go get in my car and I'm still gonna record you. Okay. I'm not in the road. I'm not in the road. You just don't want me to see what you're doing. You don't want nobody else to see what you're doing. For what reason?
Now just notice how this cop just keeps on escalating nonstop.
Reason. Hush.
I did not stop him. I didn't.
But you got all that animosity for what?
Because you're in the road.
I'm not in the road.
You need to get her out of here, or I'm about to arrest her for disorderly conduct. She's out.
Now he's telling another person that she needs to get her out of here before he abducts her.
She will not quit yelling. She will not quit yelling.
Come on.
Again, stupid cop, you're the only one yelling and will not walk away and will not de-escalate.
Hey, move. He would not get out my face. I'm not in the road. I'm not in the road. Go let him do that job. No. Okay. The way they just tried to get him and tase him for what reason?
Okay. Come on. Come on, Erica.
No.
That got that stuff too.
201 Central next to
I'm glad they're recording it. Because he should have been gone. I don't even know what they let him come back for.
I'm about to arrest you.
I'm about to arrest you. I just cannot take all this free speech. I can't.
I'm about to arrest you.
For speaking my piece.
No, ma'am, for out here sitting here still yelling.
I'm not yelling.
Again, escalating and lying through his teeth now.
Do it look like I'm yelling? Am I yelling? Am I yelling? Pat, move. Go ahead.
You're hindering the
I'm not hindering anything.
Yes, you
Okay.
are.
Now, like a true coward, he's just repeating and doubling down on his lies and stupidity.
Hold it, Pat. Right there. Get me.
I tell you what I'm gonna do. This stops today. This stops
Now here comes the cowardly threats.
today. I'm giving this body camera footage to the district attorney to see about you right here.
That's fine.
And if the district attorney wants to
That's
press
fine.
charges,
They
then I'm
can.
gonna press charges.
That's can.
You have set
You
out-
mad because I'm going live and you on camera doing what?
Going live.
Doing what?
Okay,
Okay, well I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing.
Nobody told you to come over here.
And now
Nobody told you to be an oath-violating parasite for the government, but here you are.
one of these police is out here doing what you doing. You the only one always doing it. For what? For what?
Ma'am.
Because he black.
You are yelling in the road.
Okay.
A black
Go over there and do your job.
Ma'am, I'm back up.
Go do your
I don't know
job.
what your
If you
problem
back
is
up,
with
why
me.
you pulling out your taser to shoot him for what reason?
Because he's not following lawful orders, ma'am. Get her.
Man.
I'm serious. Get her out of here. I'm
Go
serious.
ahead. Go
Get her
do
out
your
of here.
job.
I'm serious. Get her out of
Go
here.
do your job. I'm not doing nothing. That's why the rest of them ain't saying nothing, because I'm not doing nothing. I'm not in the road. He want to lock me up for being in the road. Man.
I'm telling you, we're about to see. You try me one more time. Try me one more time. Try me one more time.
Yeah.
Now imagine being married to this coward. Could you imagine that?
Y'all see these?
Try me.
Look at them people that record him.
Everybody on live.
He out here doing audit for what reason?
I'm telling you now.
Cliff just got out work and they talking about he DUI.
I'm telling you now.
He won't pick up. Hey, the police got Cliff up here at the red light, claiming he DUI. He just got out work. Paul in here trying to tase him and everything. Now he want to lock me up for going live recording him. Talking about I'm in the road. Exactly. I'm going live. Go out there and watch. Go out there and watch the live.
And here's how you know when a cop is a true donut operator Hall of Famer. They do stuff like this because every action he took so far hasn't been enough.
Oh, I ain't in no handicap parking space. Oh, thank you. You want a reason to lock me up. I ain't in no handicap parking spot. Look at that. Look at that. He want to stop. He want to lock me up so bad. He'll have me pulled over later on tonight. He want to lock me up so bad for no reason, y'all. For no reason. I know that's what you want to do. They hear you saying that. You want to lock me up for no reason at all.
Hear this, ma'am.
For no reason.
Get a break from me again.
I'll let break.
So here he is escalating it even more, saying he will never give her a break if he impedes her freedom on the side of the road.
If you're out here yelling, cussing, and screaming,
I don't care. You can't lock me up for nothing, Paul. You can't lock me up for nothing.
all right.
Don't miss a Jimmy right there. Don't miss a Jimmy.
Okay.
Not him. I'm
Don't miss
talking.
a Jimmy one.
I'm looking for the other one. Hold it.
No, that's okay. We're not going to do all this.
That's my car.
We towing it.
Towing it for
Yes,
what?
we towing it.
Towing it.
You towing it to drive.
So the owner of the car shows up. Instead of giving him the car, he's too butthurt. He says, "No, we're towing it. Officer's discretion. And if you want to pay the ransom to the tow truck driver in cash on the side of the road, we might let you have your property, son."
Driver is DUI.
This your car?
Yeah.
You smoke weed? You smoke weed?
Man, I don't smoke no weed, man.
That's a pastor.
No,
So you don't smoke weed?
I don't smoke no
So
weed.
there would be no reason for your car to smell like marijuana, correct?
Do you eat ass? No, there should be no reason for your breath to smell like ass then, right?
Correct. That's okay. You just pretty much just admitted to me that this is your car, but you ain't smoked no weed in it. So what other reason would it be smelling like
I
marijuana?
ain't got nothing to do with that. You know it's my car.
Thank you, sir. That's all I needed to ask you.
So how can y'all tow my car to the man? And he got license.
The driver is actually going to jail for driving under the influence.
Oh, I understand that.
So it's 100% officer discretion whether we're going to tow it or not.
That me.
It is 100% our discretion whether we want to ruin your life and make it difficult. We are not here to protect you. You will listen to us or else we will take every attempt to make your life miserable because we are kings in costumes.
Me gotta pay up there in tow bill to get my car.
Can't be driving DUI, sir.
He wasn't driving, you imbecile.
I didn't tell him to drive. That's my car.
We didn't tell him to drive either.
I know you did. How many times? Why can't I get my car still and go pay somebody a bunch of money to get it back?
We've already called tow truck.
You see, us and the tow truck companies conspired together to steal people's property, and once we call them, that's it. You have to pay them on the side of the road like pirates, you see, and then they'll let you out if you lucky.
I know that. That's what y'all do. We have to tow truck people out. But now I gotta pay that money to go get it. Now I don't think that's fair.
You don't think so?
No. Mm-mm. I don't think it's fair. I don't care who come and get it, man. Fair for me to try to get this $200 and pay for the car. I I didn't tell nobody to drive no drink no liquor, drive their car.
We didn't need it, sir. We didn't need it.
Get my
Yeah.
We didn't tell nobody to drive DUI.
That's right, but I still don't think it's fair. I'm not trying to be boss or ruler.
Well, that's what it sounds like to me. And we've already called the tow truck. So if you want to square up with the tow truck driver when we gets here, as long as it's okay with this officer, 'cause he's the one who did the stop, that I do not have a problem with y'all getting it. But you got to square up with the tow truck driver when he gets here.
Okay, now I done been to the point where you know what the tow truck driver gonna say? I done come now. He ain't gonna let you get that car. I
No,
done
sir,
come out here now.
I've probably done this twice in the past month. So if you want to get your car,
I've stolen people's property without due process at least twice in the last month.
if you want to square up with a tow truck driver right here,
Who coming to get it Sutton?
I'm not sure. I called for next
I
list.
think they said Haddon.
Hey,
I called for next list.
that's in
So
Louisville.
if you want to square up with him here, that's fine with me.
Yeah, I'll wait till you get in. Y'all stay in too.
Okay, we're not going nowhere.
Huh?
We're not going anywhere.
Well, I know what
Sure
he gonna
way.
say. He gonna say to
How
make
you
money.
doing?
He's going to say that you have to square up with him with a cash payment right here on the side of the road, or he's going to take it.
Cash ransom on the side of the road, or you cannot have your property back.
Or he want money.
On her? I don't know. I'm going to be taking this body camera footage and I'm going to show Kelly and I'm going to see about this right here. Because I'm going to be honest with you, with what should have happened, you should have been going to jail.
I should have been doing
Yes,
nothing. For
ma'am.
what
Yes,
reason?
ma'am. You should
For
have been
what?
going to jail.
For what? For standing there talking?
Erica,
But that man just wants some reason to lock somebody up. For what reason? If that the case, they would have locked me up if I was doing anything
Ma'am,
wrong.
here's the thing, okay?
Paul, we ain't got, just take your private body footage. We ain't got nothing to say to each other. Do what you do. Like you say, when you see me in the street, you gonna stop me. You gonna harass me, right?
Ma'am, that's not what I said.
Do that. That's what you said.
not what I said.
That's what you said. You claim I was in a handicap spot. You wanted to lock me up for that. Yes, you did.
You just always got something to say.
They see it up here. Exactly what you
All your
said.
friends know that.
Yeah. They know about you too.
Sure do.
Exactly.
They sure do.
Look how fast you pulled your little taser out. You should have had enough of that.
Y'all know about that, don't you?
Yeah. You know about it.
Sure do.
The right ones just didn't go do nothing about it.
Right. What was that?
You know about it.
What was that?
You heard
You out here
me.
cussing?
Man, do what you do.
You out here cussing?
Do what you want to do, Paul.
Yeah, cousin.
Do what you want to do.
Who you think that she's in the right out here with all
Not only is she 100% in the right, you swore to protect those rights, dummy.
she's done today, Miss Pat? What do you think?
I ain't got nothing to do with this job.
You ain't got nothing to do with it. You think so? You think she's in the right out here?
You told her hush. I told her hush. So she
she's-
ain't gonna hush.
Hey, you got a freedom of speech, don't you?
She still,
Yeah, I got a free
you,
speech.
You do have a freedom of speech,
Okay.
but you are not allowed to be disorderly.
I'm not
Again, the only one being disorderly was you, Piglet.
being
When you're out
disorderly.
here,
You
okay.
is. You the
When
one.
you're
You
out
don't
here.
want me to. You didn't want me standing right there. You talking about get over there. You the only one being hostile.
Ma'am.
You ready to
you're
tase me for what?
You're obstructing an investigation.
For what?
You're obstructing an
For
investigation.
what?
You're a lying piece of garbage.
Well, I know I'm not. They doing their job. He doing his job. Anderson doing his job. Like you say, you ain't even the one who stopped him.
You're obstructing an investigation.
You ain't the one that stopped him.
You're obstructing an investigation. No, I think that's Lenny's.
He really is, y'all. It's something wrong with him.
If you calm down, I'll talk to you in a little bit.
That's fine. But he need to stay out my face.
I'll talk to you in a little bit if you calm down. Later.
I tell you what.
Will you turn around?
Yeah, he's gonna let him get the truck or the car.
Got somebody to drive it.
That CW car, he finna get his car.
I know. I see. Got to
Tell
have
you
somebody
what.
else to drive it.
Who? He can park it right there. I don't know how you get up here. I can drive it for him.
My job.
Just so you know, my plan is when
Shut the F up, pig. We don't care what your stupid plan is, loser.
I get off this stop, I'm going to be calling the chief and I'm going to request a formal investigation into this incident.
Okay.
And if anybody decides that, well, we'll just go from there.
Okay.
That's what I'll do. That's what I'll be doing. I surely will. This has got to stop. It
It really does.
It's got to stop.
It really does. It really do need to stop. You know, you need to be more careful with how you do your job. You can't
you're
just
right.
pull your taser out just because somebody walk up. No, you can't just tase people for any kind of reason. You can't.
You have that incident.
He's not on. I do have it recorded. Okay. It's going live right now.
Okay.
Everybody see that.
That's fine. That's fine. Just
You started coming at me for no reason at all. For nothing. Cause you talking to me. If you want me to stop talking, Paul, then stop talking to me. You keep talking to me, but you feel like I can't talk.
You're right. You can say whatever you want. You just can't yell it.
I'm not yelling. I'm not cussing. You was when you told me to get my ass on the sidewalk.
No.
You was when you told me to move out the way. You was when you said you wasn't gonna give me a break every time you saw me.
I hate that you're doing this right now. Really
me too.
I really hate that you're out here telling the truth about me and my gang.
Too, but you said it. You said it right here on live. Really they heard you. You really did. You're not gonna give me a break for nothing. That's what you said.
That's what I said.
But you can't stop me for nothing. You cannot stop me for nothing.
You will never get a break again.
Okay, that's fine. Long as I got my license and I'm not doing nothing wrong, you can stop me whenever you get ready. But I will make a report on you, just like you say you will me.
Sure.
I sure will.
I'm done with this. I swear I am.
Maybe it's time to go back to bagging groceries then at the grocery store, buddy.
It's the last time this is going to happen.
Okay.
Young lady, it's the last time.
Okay.
It's the last time.
Okay.
I hate that you're putting me in this position.
And he finishes the whole thing off with the rapist mentality. You're forcing me to do this to you.
You put yourself in this position.
No, ma'am.
Because I ain't do nothing to you.
No, ma'am.
You. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. The only two they got sense. They got common sense enough to not even do all this stuff you doing.
So there you go. There's Officer Paul Butthurt, and I haven't seen a cop this butthurt and threatening and escalating, and watch how all the so-called good cops just stand around and watch him do it. They don't say, hey, dude, just leave her alone. Just walk over there. Let it go. Calm the hell down. No, they just let it all go on. Anyway, good job, Erica. Thanks to everybody. I'm sure YouTube won't let me monetize this, but please check out my coin rings. The link is in the description. Also, subscribe to activismnewsnetwork.com if you want to see stuff we don't post on here, and it is unedited and unscripted and etc., etc. Thanks, everyone, for watching. Peace and tranquility. Bye-bye now.